Brother-in-law. Next, friends, for remaining person, those one who are watching, try to give your comment. If you will give comment me, then I will get to know whether people are solving or not. At the same time, whether concept is understanding or not. Friends, try to give your comments. Yes, friends. Here. Friends, I will explain here. Friends, the mention is what? A is father of B and C. A is father of B and C. So when the mention is what? See here. The mention is A is father of B and C. A is father of B and C. Yes. A is father of B and C. That means here B and C both are siblings. B and C both are siblings. Next one is what? B and D are married couples. Friends here. Friends here the next one is what? See here. B and D are married couples. B and D are married couples. Take it. B and D are married couples. Next B and D are married couples. Next the next one is what? B and D are married couples. Next they have only two daughters P and Q. Friend, the mention is what? B and D are married couples and they have only two daughters P and Q. Friends, if they mention only two daughters may, there is no chance for any other daughters. That means again, friends again, A is father of B and C. Next one is what? B and D are married couples and they have, and that means these two couples have, these couple having only two daughters P and Q. These two couples having only two daughters P and Q. Yes, leave it. Next one is what? Friends again, they have only two daughters P and Q. Leave it. Next dimension is what? BA sister of C. BA sister of C. Friends again, dimension is what? BA sister of C. BA sister of C. Next one is what? Sige. BA sister of C. BA sister of C. Next dimension is and daughter of S. Friends, in this case, and qualifies B. And qualifies B. B is daughter of S. So B is sister of C and B is daughter of S. B is already daughter of A. Now B is daughter of S means now A and S both are married couples. A and S both are married couples. Now friends here A is plus me then S is minus. S is minus. Yes, leave it. Next point is what? Friends here PA sister of W. PA sister of W. Friends here PA sister of W. Now take here PA sister of W. Friends here PA sister of W, but W is compulsory male. W is compulsory male. Why means friends here at the starting they mention is what? P and Q are only daughters of this couple. That means here the mention is P is sister W male, then W is compulsory male. W is compulsory male. Yes. Next point is what? Friends, the next one is what? W is only son of D. Friend, this point is not required. This point is not required. Why may they already mentioned that one is what? P and Q are only daughters. P and Q are only daughters me, then W is compulsory son. W is compulsory son. Leave it. Friend, next point is what? A GA sister of F. Now friends check here. Friend, the next one is what? GA is sister of F. GA sister of F. Next one is what? Who is wife of? See here. GA sister of F, comma, who is? Friends here, who qualifies? F. Who qualifies? F. Now, F is wife of C. Now, friends take here. F is, now friends take here. F is wife of C. F is wife of C. The next one is what? F is wife of C. Friends here. F is wife of C. That means here C is male. That means here C is male. Next friends here. Next point is what? See here. F is wife of C. Next completed. But next point is what? See here. GA sister of F completed. Next who is wife of C means what? F is wife of C. F is wife of C. Next one is what? And daughter of X. Friends, in this case, and qualifies. In this case, and qualifies F1. In this case, and qualifies F. Now, F is daughter of X. F is daughter of X. So, friends, here, the next one is what? F is daughter of X. F is daughter of X. Next, leave it. Next one is what? Who is mother of I? Friends, here, who qualifies X? Who qualifies X? Then X is mother of I. X is mother of I. That means here these three are siblings. These three are siblings. Yes. X is mother of I. Next, leave it. Next point is what? Friends, here, G is daughter of Y. G is daughter of Y. Friends, here G is daughter of Y means we know already G is. Already G is daughter of X. Now G is daughter of Y means then X and Y both are couples. X and Y both are couples. Now X is minus me, then Y is plus. Then Y is plus. Then see here, G is daughter of Y, leave it. Next one is part and sister of I. See here, G is daughter of Y and sister of I. Friends, here and indicates first person is part G. G is sister of I. G is sister of I, leave it. Next one is part who is daughter of X. Here who is daughter of X means here who qualifies I. I is daughter of X. I is daughter of X. Now friends here B and D both are couples. B and D both are couples. Here B is minus me, then D is plus. Then D is plus. Yes. Friends, this is the given entire tree diagram. Suppose friends here the again question is suppose friends here how C is related to D. How C is related to D me, the answer is what? Brother-in-law. How D is related to C me, the answer is what? Brother-in-law. Suppose how D is related to A, answer is son-in-law. Next, how A is related to D means answer is father-in-law. Next, suppose how S is related to D means answer is mother-in-law. Next, suppose friends check here. How C is related to Q, then answer is what? Uncle. Next, how Q is related to C means answer is niece. Suppose how C is related to X means answer is son-in-law. Suppose how X is related to C means answer is what? Mother-in-law. Next, suppose how I is related to C, then answer is what? Sister-in-law. Suppose how C is related to I means answer is what? Brother-in-law. Next, suppose how A is related to Q means answer is grandfather. How Q is related to A means answer is granddaughter. Answer is what? Granddaughter. Yes. Suppose one check here. Here the again question is what? How X is related to B. How X is related to B. Friends, how X is related to B means how X is related to B means then answer is what? Mother-in-law. Then the simple answer is what? Mother-in-law. Yes. How X is related to B may, then simply answer is what? Mother-in-law. Then answer is what? Mother-in-law. Yes. Friends, some cases they will give question is which of the following statement is superfluous? Which of the following statement is superfluous? Friends, what the meaning of superfluous? Give your comment. The again question is which of the following statement is superfluous? What the meaning of superfluous? Give your comment. Friends, what the meaning of superfluous? Some cases they will give question is which of the following statements are superfluous? What the meaning of superfluous? Friends, give your comment. No idea, sir. Yes, no problem. I will explain. Next, friends, what the meaning of superfluous? Friends, here we are easily able to solve the tree diagram. But the again question is which of the following statements are superfluous? Remember what is the meaning of superfluous? Then give your comment. Yes, friends, friends, what the meaning of superfluous means? Which is not required. Which is not required. So out of given entire information, which statement is not required? Which statement is not required? Remember what is the meaning of superfluous means? Which is not required. Which is not required to solve the tree diagram. To solve the tree diagram. Suppose for example, if you are going to take in this one and if you are going to take in this one, which are the following statement is superfluous means? See here. Suppose friend check here. W is only son of D. Suppose friend check here. If you are going to take here. Suppose friends here. If you are going to take here the mention is what? W is only son of D. This statement is not required. Sir, if X and Y are father and mother-in-laws of B, then how D is related to Y and M? See here. Often the mention is what? Suppose friends check here. I will explain here. Friends here the mention is what? Remember what the meaning of superfluous means? Which is not required. Which is not required. So friends here the mention is what? W is only son of D. This statement is not required. Why means for that couple we are having only two daughters. For that couple we are having only two daughters P and Q. The mention is what? P is star W male. Then W is compulsory male. Just remember simply what the meaning of superfluous means not required. Superfluous means not required. Yes. Friends here again one person he is asking question is if X and Y are father and mother-in-laws of B. Yes, here. X and Y both are father-in-laws and mother-in-laws of B. How is D related to Y? How D is related to Y? Friends, suppose friends check here. If you are going to take how D is related to Y means Friends, remember, and in generally they will never ever give long relations. They will never ever give long relations. If they given long relation means suppose friends check here, then interlink, and then interlink. See here, friends, see here, D brother-in-law is what? C. D brother-in-law is what? C. Then C wife is what? F. C wife is what? F. Then F father is what? Y. That means we are going to take how Y is equal to D means we are going to take brother-in-law's wife, brother, father, brother-in-law's wife, father. See here, how C is equal to D means what? Brother-in-law. Brother-in-law's wife is what? F. F father is what? Y. So how Y is equal to D means we are going to take brother-in-law's wife, father, brother-in-law's wife, father. Friends, 100% they will never ever give long relation. They will never ever give long relation. Even they will not give this much of complicated. They will give simply easy model. But for practicing purpose, I prepared this one. And yes, friends, in this one, is there any doubt? Friends, yes or no? If you are having any doubt, then raise your hand. Not raise your hand, then give your comment. Once in this there is no doubt means next we will go for next model. First one is what? Puzzle form. If you are thorough with puzzle form means compulsory we are going to get 3 marks. We are going to get 3 marks. Yes. Friends, remember, and no need to worry. Maximum they will give relations based upon near to families, and they will not give long relations. They will not give long relation. Friends, in this puzzle form, is there any doubt? Yes or no? Then give your comment. If not, I will go for next model is coding form. But this model is very very important. This model is very very important. Friends, yes or no? Give your comment. I will go for next model. Yes, next sige. Next friends sige. Next go for next one. Next one is what? Coding form. Next one is what? Coding form. Next friends sige. In coding form, first note on sige. Friends, the next one is what? Sige. In coding form, the given one is what? P star Q. Friends, sige. P star Q means sige. P star Q means PA sister of Q. PA sister of Q. Next, P plus Q means P is mother of Q. P minus Q means P is father of Q. Next, P percentage Q means what? P is brother of Q. Yes. Now, given question is what? Which of the following represents? Which of the following represents? A is nephew of B. A is nephew of B. Friends, remember, A is nephew of B means for A is nephew of B means what are the possibilities? For nephew means possibilities are maybe brother's son or maybe sister's son. Maybe sister's son. Friends, once try to solve, how you people will solve? One try to solve. If not, I will explain general method. At the same time, I will explain answer within single step. And I will explain answer within single step. Just to try to solve. What the answer for given question? Which are the following represents? A is nephew of B. Try to solve. Yes, friends. See, now check here, friends. How you people are solved? Now whether it is audible or not, friends. Yes or no? A is a male. Yes, friends. See, yes. Friends. See, next friends. See, for this model, we are going to solve by using two different methods and by using two different methods. Yes, friends. See, what the first method? What the first method? Friends. See, first I will explain general method. Next I will go for single step method. I will go for single step method. Yes, friends, take here. The mention is what? Star. Friends, here star means what? Sister. Star means what? Sister. Next, the mention is what? Plus. Friends, here plus means what? Mother. Plus means mother. Next, among five options, D is suitable. Yes, your answer is correct. And just wait. See here. Friends, next one is what? Minus means here minus means what? Father. Next percentage means what? Brother. Percentage means what? Brother. Yes. Friends, see here. Friends, first I will explain general method. Next I will go for logic and I will go for logic. So, friends, check here. Friends, here what is the general method? Our question is what? Which of the following represents A is nephew of B? A is nephew of B. Friends, here A is nephew of B means for nephew what are the possibilities? Brother's son, otherwise sister's son. Go for option number one. Suppose check here. Option number one. Friends, here they mention option number one is what? See here. A percentage B minus C and A percentage B minus C. A percentage B minus C. Suppose check here. Friend, the next one is what? A percentage B. A percentage B means what? A is brother of B. Check here. Here percentage means what? Brother. A is brother of B. Next one is what? B minus C. Friends, what the meaning of B minus C means what? B is father of C. B is father of C. Yes, B is father of C. Now, our requirement is what? A is nephew of B. In this case, how A is related to B means answer is what? Brother. But our requirement is what? Nephew. That means there is no chance for option number one. There is no chance for option number one. Yes, friends, here go for option number two. Go for option number two. Friends, option number two they given is what? See here. C percentage B minus A. C percentage B minus A. Friends, here C percentage B means what? C is brother of B. C is brother of B. Yes, here. C percentage B means what? Percentage means what? Brother. C is brother of B. Next one is what? B minus A. Friends, here B minus A means what? B is father of A. B is father of A. Friends, in this case, how A is to B means what? Can't say. We don't know gender of A. So by using option number two, we are not able to conclude how A is related to B. But our requirement is what? Nephew of B. Here there is no chance for nephew. There is chance for maybe son of B or maybe daughter of B. That means for this second option also no chance. For this second option also no chance. Next friends here, go for third option. Go for third option. Friends here, option number three is what? They given one is what? See here, option number three they given one is what? See here. C star B plus this one is what? A star D, yes. Friends, here, C star B, friends, here, C star means what? C is sister of B, yes, here. The next one is what? C is sister of B, C is sister of B. Next, the next one is what? B plus A. Friends, here, B plus A means what? Plus means here, mother. That means here, B is mother of A, B is mother of A. A star D means what? Friends, here star means what? Sister. A sister of D. See here. A sister of D. A sister of D. Now, friends, check here. In this case, how A is related to B? How A is related to B means what? Daughter. How A is related to B means what? Daughter. But our requirement is what? Nephew. That means there is no chance for option number three. There is no chance for option number three. Next, friends, go for option number four. Go for option number four. Friends, see here. They given option number four is what? See here. They given option number four is what? See here. B percentage C. B percentage C. Next one is what? Minus A percentage D. Minus A percentage D. Friends, here they mention is what? B percentage C. B percentage C means what? B is brother of C. B is brother of C. Next one they mention is what? See here. C minus A. What the meaning of C minus A means what? C is father of A. Take here. They mention is what? C is father of A. C is father of A. Next they mention is what? A percentage D. A percentage D means what? Here percentage means what? Brother. That means A is brother of D. A is brother of D. Yes. Friends, in this case, how B is related to A means what? Uncle. Then how A is related to B means the answer is what? Nephew. The answer is what? Nephew. That means by using option number four, we are able to conclude A is nephew of B. A is nephew of B. Yes. Friend, this is the general method. This is the general method. That means we are going to check one by one options. We are going to check one by one option. But friends, if you are going to solve like this means it will take time and it will take time. So to overcome this one, what the logic here means, suppose friends check here. Friends, they mention is one which of the following represents A is nephew of B. Yes. Friends, for this model, simple logic is go through gender. Go through gender. They mention is what? A is nephew of B. A is nephew of B. Remember here A is nephew of B means A is compulsory male. A is compulsory male. So friends here A is compulsory male means now check one by one option. Check one by one option. Suppose from check here, the mention is what? A percentage B. The mention is what? A percentage B. A percentage B means what? A is brother of B. A is brother of B. But our requirement is what? A is nephew of B means for option number one, no chance. Yes, for option number one, no chance. Next friends here, go for option number two. Go for option number two. Friends here, in option number two, A is ending of the option. A is ending of the option. Remember, in the given information, is there any couple means? Yet there is no couple. Remember, except for married couple, if anything is ending of the option, we don't know the gender. Remember, except for married couple, if anything is ending of the option, we don't know the gender. Suppose check here, option number one C is ending. What? Option number one C is ending. Gender of C is we don't know. Option number two A is ending. Gender of A is don't know. Suppose go for option number three. Option number three, D is ending. D is ending. Gender of D is what? Don't know. Gender of D is what? Don't know. So friends, remember, except for married couple, if anything is ending of the option, we don't know the gender. That means simply we are going to eliminate option number two. We are going to eliminate option number two. Next friends here, go for option number three. Go for option number three. Friends here, the mention is what? A star D. The mention is what? A star D. Friends here, A star means here. Star means here the mention is what? Sister. That means here A is sister of D. Here sister means here A is female, but our requirement A is male. That means here no chance for option number three. No chance for option number three. Suppose and check here. Go for option number five. See here. A plus D. A plus means what? A is mother of D. A is mother of D. That means here A is female, but our requirement A is male. That means no chance for fourth option. Next remaining only option is one. See here. Option number four. A percentage mean D means what? A is percentage means what? Brother. That means here A is male. Then answer is what? Option number four. Answer is what? Option number four. Friends, for this model, simple logic is go through gender. Go through gender. Friends, in this one, isn't it out? Here I given one is one. A is figure. A is nephew of B means A is compulsory male. A is compulsory male. So in option number one, A percentage B means A is brother. But our requirement is what? Nephew, no chance. Option number two is what? A is ending of the option. We don't know the gender. Remember, except for married couple, if anything is ending of the option, we don't know the gender. Third one, A star D means what? A sister of D. But our requirement A is male. Next, fifth option is what? A plus. A plus means here A is mother. That means here A is female. But our requirement A is male. That means fifth option has no chance. Then answer is what? Only fourth option. Yes. Friends, in this one, isn't it out? Yes or no? Friends, give your comment. Friends, in this logic method, isn't it out? Yes. Next. If there is no doubt made, next go for next question. See here. Yes. Next, friends, see here. They mentioned is what? Which of the following represents? Which of the following represents? W is grandfather of H. Friends, they mention is what? W is grandfather of H. W is grandfather of H. Here W is grandfather of H means then W is compulsory male. W is compulsory male. Try to solve. Answer is what? Friends, don't solve by using general method. Take that logic, then try to solve. See here. W is grandfather of H means W is compulsory male. Then take this one, then try to solve. Friends, answer is which of the following represents W is grandfather of H? Yes, answer is what? Option number E. Yes. Friends, once if you know the logic means conditions are not visible. Friends, conditions are not visible means in previous question I already given conditions and suppose friends check here. Friends, the same conditions. Star means sister, plus means mother, minus means father, percentage means brother. Next, in the same manner, how this one is related to. If you want condition means once again see here and star means sister. Friends, take here. Star means a sister. Next, plus means mother. Plus means mother. Next, minus means father. Stay here. Minus means father. Next, the next one is what? Percentage. Percentage means brother. See here. Percentage means brother. Answer is friends. Now conditions all are visible. Star means sister. Next, plus means mother. Minus means father. Percentage means brother. Which are the following represents? W is grandfather of H. W is grandfather of H. Friends here. Friends here the mention is what? Which are the following represents? W is grandfather of H. W is grandfather of H. Next. Yes. Friends here. Answer is what? Option number E. Answer is what? Option number E. Yes, friends here. Friends, here the given question is what? Which of the following represents W is grandfather of H? Friends, here W is grandfather of H means our logic is what? Go through gender. W is grandfather of H means then W is compulsory male. W is compulsory male. Friends, go for option number one. Go for option number one. Friends, here the next one is what? W plus T. W plus T. Friends, here W plus means what? W is mother of T. That means here W is mother means W is female, but our requirement W is male. That means no chance for option number one. No chance for option number one. Friends, suppose friend check here. Go for option number two. Option number two is what? W percentage T. Here percentage means what? Brother. That means there is chance for here. Here that means W is male. That means for this one there is a chance. There is a chance. But this one also we are able to eliminate. And why means here grandparents means compulsory we are having total. We are having compulsory one generation gap on it. Then leave it about this one. That means for second option W is male means there is a chance. Go for third option. In third option, W is ending of the option. W is ending of the option. Remember, if anything is ending of the option, we don't know the gender. Yes, simply leave it about option number three. Go for option number four. W star. W star means what? Here W is sister. That means here W is female. Our requirement W is male. No chance for option number three. Next, go for option number five. Option W minus T. W minus T means what? W is father. That means here W is male. That means for this one there is a chance. That means so out of five options, by using this logic, we are going to eliminate three options. That means here answer me there is chance for B or there is chance for A. Then try to solve any one of the option. Any one of the option. Suppose if I will take option number B and A. See here, W percentage T minus H. See here, W percentage T means what? W is brother of T. W is brother of T. T minus H means what? T is father of H. T is father of H. Then how W is related to H means answer is what? Uncle. But our requirement is what? Grandparent means for this one. No chance. For option number two, no chance. That means only answer is what? Option number five. Answer is what? Option number five. Suppose check here. Option number five is what? See here. W minus T minus H. W minus T minus H. W minus T means what? W is father of T. W is father of T. See here. W is father of T. Next one is what? T minus H means what? T is father of H. Friends, see here. If I given a question is how H is related to W. How H is related to W means answer is what? Grandchild. Otherwise can't say. Otherwise can't say. But how W is related to H. How W is related to H means now friends see here. How W is related to H means now answer is what? Grandfather. Then answer is what? Grandfather. Yes. Now, which of the following represents W is grandfather of HME? Then answer is what? Option number 5. Then answer is what? Option number 5. Yes. Friends, in this one, is there a doubt? Yes or no? Then give your comment. If not, I will go for next example. Friends, is there a doubt? Here, W is grandfather of HME. Then answer is what? Option number 5. Yes. Next, go for next one. Yes, go for next one. A into B means A is wife of B. Yes. Next, A divided by B means A is father of B, plus means son of B, minus means sister of B. Which are the following represent? If the given expression P plus I divided by Q into R is definitely true, then how? Q is related to P? Yes. No, sir. No, sir. Yes. Friends, if you are having any doubt, then simply give comment, and if not, go for next question. But compulsory try to be actively participation. Why means if you are participating more may, then if you are having any doubt, there is chance to rise. That time simply I will explain. Then next question, try to solve. Here A into B means A is wife of B. That means into means wife. Divide by means father. Plus means son. Minus means sister. Friends, answer is. Friends, whether you people are solving or not, give your comment. How many people are watching or not? Those one who are watching, each and every person give your comment. If the given expression P plus I divided by Q into R is definitely true. Yes, definitely true. Then how? Q is related to P. Then how? Q is related to P. Friend, answer is what? Yes, I am getting correct answers from your side. Yes, sister. Next, Kartikeyan, you mentioned siblings. Friends, remember, if you know the gender, simply mention whether it is a brother or sister, but don't mention siblings. Here we know how Q is related to P means we know QA, sister of P. If you know sister me, then don't mention sibling. Sibling means what? Maybe brother or maybe sister. Yes, sibling. Next answer is what? Swapna, you given correct answer. Sister. Next. Friends, what about remaining percents? Whether you people are solving or not? Friends, give your comment. Those one who are watching, I want comment from each and every person. Yes, friends, again. I will explain again. So friends, here they given is what? Here, A into B means A is wife of B. A is wife of B. That means friends here, into means what? Wife. Into means what? Wife. Yes. Next one is what? Divide by means what? Father. Divide by means what? Father. Next one is here, plus means what? Son. Plus means what? Son. Next one is what? Minus means what? Sister. Minus means what? Sister. Yes. So friends here, given question is what? If the given expression, see here, P plus I divided by Q into R. P plus I divided by Q into R is definitely true. Then how? Q is related to P. Q is related to P. Yes, friends, here. Friends, here P plus I means what? See here. P plus I means what? PA son of I. Now, friends, take here. The mention is what? PA son of I. PA son of I. Next point is what? See here. I divide by Q. Friends, I divide by Q means what? I is father of Q. Take here. Now, the next one is what? I is father of Q. I is father of Q. Next, friends, next one is what? See here. I is father of Q. Next, Q into R. Friends, here, Q into R. Into means what? Y. That means Q is wife of R. That means, friends, here the mention is what? Q is wife of R. Friends, Q is wife of R may, then R is husband of Q. Then R is husband of Q. Friends, in the last example, I given a clue point is what? If anything is ending of the option, we don't know the gender except for couple. Now, R is ending of the option, but we know the gender of R. Y means here Q into means what? Here Y, that means Q and R both are couples. Q and R both are couples. Yes. Now suppose friends here, if the given question is how R is related to P, how R is related to P means answer is what? Brother-in-law. How P is related to R means answer is what? Brother-in-law. Suppose how R is related to I, R is related to I is what? Son-in-law. Suppose how I is related to R means what? Father-in-law. How I is related to R means what? Father-in-law. Now given question is what? How Q is related to P. Friends, how Q is related to P? How Q is related to P means answer is what? Sister. Then answer is what? Sister. Friend, don't go for sibling and sibling means maybe brother or maybe sister. But by using this one, we are able to conclude how Q is related to P means then simple answer is what? Sister. Then answer is what? Sister. Yes. Next. Friends, go for next one. Friends, in this one is there a doubt? Go for next one. Friends, here into means wife, divide by means father. Sige. Divide by means father. Next one is plus means son. Sige. Plus means son. Next one is what? Minus means sister. Solve. Which of the following expression means S is mother of T? S is mother of T. Friends, answer is which of the following expression means S is mother of T? Answer is what? Option number 3. Friends, option number 3 simply by seeing Karthikeyan. One check here. By seeing only we are able to eliminate. Our requirement is one. S is mother of T. S is mother of T means then S is compulsory female. S is compulsory female. Option number 3 if you will take S divide by. S divide by means what? S is father. Roman number 4. Numeral 4. Yes. Yes. Answer is 4. Friends, no need to mention. Sorry, Andy. Just try to give your answer. Even if it is a mistake also, no problem, Andy. At present, you are learning stage. Yes. Yes, friends, here answer is what? Option number 4. Answer is what? Option number 4. Friends, this model again don't solve by using general method. Don't solve by using general method. Friends, here, friends, here I given question is what? Here, which of the following represents S is mother of T? S is mother of T. Friends, I need comments from all person. Those one who are watching this session, give your comment. If you are giving comment me, then if you are having any doubt, then simply write your comment. Sir, I have doubt in this question. Then simply I will explain. Yes, again. Friends, the mention is what? S is mother of T. S is mother of T. Friends, if they mention S is mother of T means, then S is compulsory female. S is mother of T means, then S is compulsory female. Suppose friends check for your option number 1. Sige. S into M. Friends, S into M is what? Into means what? Wife. That means here S is female. That means here for this one, there is a chance. There is a chance. Go for second option. S divided by. Friends, S divided by means what? Sige. S divided by means what? S is father. That means in this case S is male. No chance for option number 2. Next third option is what? S divided by. Here S divided by means what? S is father. That means here S is male. No chance for option number 3. Next friends, go for option number 4. Go for option number 4. S into means what? Why? That means there is a chance. Now option number 5. S is ending of the option, but divide by means what? Divide by means what? M is father of A. That means it is not a couple. We don't know the gender of S. We don't know the gender of S. That means there is chance for 2 answers. Maybe option number 1 or maybe option number 4. Just for try to solve any one of the option. Try to solve any one of the option. Yes. Suppose friends again. If you take option number one, S into M is what? Sige. S into M is what? S is. Sige. S into M is what? S me into me is what? Wife. That means S is wife of M. That means M is husband of yes. Next, M plus H means what? M plus H means what? Friends, here the mention is what? M plus H means, A plus means what? Son. That means M is son of H. M is son of H. Next, the mention is what? H minus T. H minus T. Friends, what the meaning of H minus T means what? H is. Minus means here. Minus means here. Sister. That means H is. H is sige. H minus T means H is sister of T. H is sister of T. Yes. Now, friends, here, in this case, how S is led to T. How S is led to T means, see here, we are not able to conclude S is mother of T. S is mother of T. See here, in this case, how S is led to T means, there is chance for nephew wife. There is chance for nephew wife. That means option number one, there is no chance. If option number one is no chance means, then simple answer is what? Option number four. Friends, compulsory out of five options, by taking that logic, we are easily able to eliminate three options. Just try to solve only any one of the option. Suppose friend check here, if you are going to take option number 4, if you are going to take option number 4, option number 4 is what? S into M divided by H minus T. Suppose check here, S into M is what? S is wife of M. That means here, M is husband of yes. Next one is what? Friends, M divided by H. Friends, here, divide by means what? Father. That means here, M is father of H. M is father of H. Next dimension is what? H minus T. Friends, H here, H minus T means what? H is sister of T. H is sister of T. Now, in this case, how S is related to me? The answer is what? Mother. The answer is what? Mother. That means, by using option number 4, we are able to conclude S is mother of T. S is mother of T. Yes. So, friends, simply here answer is what? Option number 4. In this one, is there any doubt? Just give your comment. If not, then go for next question. Yes. Which of the following statement is true about the given expression J minus F plus R into B? So friends, here given is what? Which of the following statement is true about the given expression J minus F plus R into B? Here into means what? Wife. Next divide by means father, plus means son, minus means sister. Answer is what? Friends, try to answer for given question. Answer is friend. Those one who are watching this video, each and every person, try to give your comments. Yes, answer is what? Yes, Swapna, your answer is correct. Yes, answer is what? R is mother of J. Yes. Friends, what about remaining percents? Then give your comment. Next, suppose friends check here. Solvings are yes. Friends, try to solve within hardly 20 to 30 seconds and why means if it is a preliminary exam, total we are having 35 questions, they will give only 20 minutes. That means for each and every question, hardly our time limit is 40 seconds and hardly 40 seconds. Yes, answer is what? Option number 3. Yes, friends, here. Friends, here the mention is what? See here. Friend, they given is what? J minus F plus R into B. J minus F plus R into B. Yes. Yes, friends, here J minus F plus R into B. Friends, here J minus F means what? See here, the mention is what? J minus F plus R into B. J minus F plus R into B. Friends, here the mention is what? J minus F. J minus F means what? J A sister of F. J A sister of F. Next one is what? F plus R. F plus R means what? F is. Friends, here F is son of R. F is son of R. Next one is what? R into B. Friends, here R into B means what? R is wife of B. R is wife of B. Friends, here B is ending of the option, but we know the gender of B. Y means R and B both are couples. R and B both are couples. Now, friends, here the next statement is what? Which of the following statement is true? Suppose check for option number 1. B is uncle of J. How B is related to J means answer is what? Father. But here they mention uncle means first one is wrong. Next, go for second option. B is wife of R. Friends, in this case, B is husband of R. Here, wife of R means option number 2 is wrong. Next, R is mother of J. Yes, the answer is what? R is mother of J. Friend, J is cousin of B. How it is correct? And J is cousin of B. See, J is daughter of B. J is daughter of B. Third one, no chance. F is father of B. Here, F is son of B and F is son of B. Now, answer is what? R is mother of J. So, answer is what? Option number 3 and answer is what? Option number 3. Yes. Next, friends, again, in this, if you don't have any doubt, then give your comment. Otherwise, next go for next question. Next, friends, for next one, which are the following expression means P is grandmother of T? Answer is. Friends, for this question, no need to solve. And for this question, no need to solve. By seeing only, we are able to conclude. By seeing only, we are able to conclude. How? Friends, for this question, no need to solve. By seeing only, we are able to conclude. How? Yes, Karthikeyan, your answer is correct. Answer is what? Option number 4. How we are able to conclude? Friends, for this one, no need to solve. By seeing only, we are able to conclude. Yes. Friends, all you people are giving correct answers. Yes. Option number 4. Friends, how? P is a female. Yes, that one also there. Next, in remaining options, P is not a female. Option number 5 also P is female. Next, friends, simple logic and see here. Friends, here the again question is what? P is grandmother of T. P is grandmother of T. Friends, here P is grandmother of T means in our given options both P and T are present. Yes or no? The given question is what? P is grandmother of T. Friends, here P is grandmother of T means in our given options compulsory both P and T are present. Compulsory both P and T are present. If P and T are present, then only we are able to conclude. Yes or no? Friends, except option number 4. Except option number 4. In remaining options, is there a T? Except option number 4. In remaining option, there is no T. There is no T. Then simple answer is what? Option number 4. Then simple answer is what? Option number 4. Friends, the given is what? P is grandmother of T. That means in our given options, compulsory both P and T are present. But except option number 4, in remaining option, there is no T. Then simple answer is what? Option number 4. Yes. Next, go for next question. Next question. Solve next one. Friends, for next question, if the given expression P into Q divided by R minus S is definitely true, then how P is related to S? Yes, friends, here answer is mother, mother, mother. Yes. Friends, simple answer is what? Mother. Answer is what? Mother. Yes, friends, here. Friends, here they mention is what? P into Q divided by R minus S is definitely true. Then how P is related to? Yes. Then how P is related to? Yes. Friends, above friends, check here. They mention is what? P into Q. Friends, P into Q means what? P is wife of Q. P is wife of Q. That means here Q is husband of P. Next, Q divided by R means what? Divided by means what? Father. That means here Q is father of R. Q is father of R. Next, R minus S means what? RA, sister of S. RA, sister of S. Then, friends, given question is what? Then, how P is related to S? How P is related to S means? Then simple answer is what? Mother. How P is related to S means? Answer is mother. Yes. Yes. Friends, you people are Meenakshi. Yes, your answer is correct. Next, Swapna. Correct. Next. Next. Friends, go for next one. Go for next one. See. Next, solve next one. A into B means A is son of B. Next, A plus B means A is daughter of B. A divided by B means A is wife of B. A minus B means A is father of B. Next, given question is what? What will come in place of the question mark to establish that Q is mother of N? To establish that Q is mother of N. N plus O minus P. Question mark Q. Next, option number A plus option number 2 into 3 minus 4 divided by fifth one is what? Either 1 or 2. Friend, try to answer for given question. Friends, answer is yes. Kartikeyan, your answer is correct. Next, what about remaining people? Meenakshi, your answer is option D. Once again check. Swapna, your answer is option D. Once again check. Next, friends, remaining persons. Here I'm finding hardly 3 or 4 members are actively participating. What about remaining? Friends, imagine at the time of class only if you are watching me, then it is good and why means if you are having a doubt, there is chance to rise. After completion of recording video, if you are going to watch me, then that time your faculty is not available. Then try to answer. Yes. Friends, see. Now, friends, they mention is what? See, they mention is what? A into B. Friends, here A into B means what? A son of B. That means here into means what? Son. Next one is what? Plus. A plus means what? Daughter. Plus means daughter. Next one is what? Divide by. What the meaning of divide by means what? Wife. Next one is what? Minus. Minus means what? Father. Minus means what? Father. Yes. What will come in place of the question mark to establish that Q is mother of N? Q is mother of N. Suppose friends check here. Friends here given statement is what? See here. The mention is what? N plus O minus P question mark Q minus P question mark Q. Suppose friends take here option number 1. Suppose friends check here option number 1. In place of question mark, take here. See here, in place of question mark, take here. Given option is what? In place of question mark, take first option is what? P. First option is what? P. Yes. Friends, now solve here. N plus O means what? See here. Plus means what? N is daughter of O. See here. N is daughter of O. N is daughter of O. Next one name they mention is what? O minus P. Friends, O minus P means what? See here. O minus P means what? O is minus means here father. O is father of P. O is father of P. Next friends here. P plus means what? See here the next one is what? Plus means what? Daughter. That means here P is daughter of Q. P is daughter of Q. Friends here N and P both are sisters. Both are sister. That means O and Q these two are couples. That means O is plus me, then Q is minus. That means by substituting option number 1, we are able to conclude Q is mother of N. Q is mother of N. That means here option number 1 is correct. But before taking option number 1, then check for option number 5. Option number 5, the given one is what? Either A or B. That means there is chance for option A, there is chance for B. One check for option B and A. If it is not applicable, then simple answer is what? A. If not, we are going to take answer is what? Either A or B. That means friends here, next take your option number B and option number B. So friends here given statement is what? See here, n plus o minus p next question mark in place of question mark next where unte option number 2 is what into 1 option number 2 is what into q option number 2 is what into q yes next friends sige n plus 4 means what sige n plus 4 means what n is daughter of o n is daughter of o next o minus p means what o is father of p o is father of p next p into q into means what sige into means what son that means here pa son of q pa son of q friends here n and p both are brother and sister that means both are siblings and brother and sister then how next if n and p both are sibling may then o and q both are couples o plus may then q is minus now in this case also how q is related to n then answer is what mother then answer is what mother so by substituting option number 1 answer is q is mother of n then by substituting option number 2 also q is mother of n then answer is what either 1 or 2 answer is what option number 5 yes friends in this one is there any doubt yes or no friends give your comments yes or no if not next go for next question sige next not on this one a plus b means b is daughter of a into b means b is son of a next a minus b means b is wife of a if the given expression z into t minus s into u plus p is definitely true then how u is set to z friends till now see here till now a plus b means what they given forward and they given forward but now they given reverse a plus b means b is daughter of a they given reverse a into b means what b is son of a reverse a minus b means b is wife of a they given reverse and they given reverse remember if they given forward direction if anything is ending of the option don't know the gender but if they give a reverse direction, if anything is starting of the starting, then we don't know the gender. Then for this question, how if is related to Z? Answer is friends. Answer is then how if is related to Z? Grand mother. Friends, once again check. Friends, don't get confused. Karthikeyan, maybe you solved correctly, but you are giving while taking you are taking reverse. My question is how if is related to Z, not how Z is related to you. Yes, Meenakshi, your answer is you also took same. Next, yes, some of students they are giving correct answers. Next, friends here. Friends here the mention is what? Friends z into t minus s into u plus p is definitely true. Then how u is related to z? Friends go for here. See here the mention is what? Plus a plus b means what? B is daughter of a. A plus b means what? B is daughter of a. A into b means what? B is son of a. A minus b means what? B is wife of a. B is wife of a. Yes. Friends here Karthikeyan no need to mention. Sorry. Here you people didn't did any mistake on it. Just you people are solving. Just to try to solve. If you are going to repeat it, why I am giving time to solve means if you are going to if you are going to do any mistake here means no problem on it. There is chance to rectify. But in main examination all if you are going to do mistake means then it will be problem. So here try to solve. If you are having any doubt, simple I will be there here. If not, it is well and good and now friends here. Friends here the next one is what? Plus means a plus b means what? B is daughter of a. A into b means b is son of a. A minus b means what? B is wife of a. Leave it. Friends here given question is what? See here. Friends here the next one is what? Z into t. Next one is what? Minus s into u plus p into u plus p. Then how u is related to z? How u is related to z? Yes, friends here the next one is what? Z into t. Friends, here Z into T means what? They given reverse. Z into T means what? TA, son of Z. Now, friends, take here. TA is son of Z. TA, son of Z. Friends, here they given reverse. One subject here. TA, son of Z. TA, son of Z. Next, go for next one is what? T minus S means what? S is wife of T. S is wife of T. Now, friends, here the next one is what? S is wife of T. S is wife of T. Next, S into U means what? UVA, son of S. Now, friends, take here. Friends, UVA, son of S. UVA, son of S. Next, friends, here. U plus P means what? U plus P means here. P is daughter of U. P is daughter of U. Yes. Next, friends, here. Friends, suppose, friends, here. Here, my question is how P is led to Z? Answer is. Then give your answer. How P is led to Z? How P is led to Z? Answer is. Then give your answer in our comment box. How P is led to Z? How P is led to Z? Friends, answer is. How P is led to Z? Great granddaughter. Yes, your answer is correct. And your answer is correct. Answer is what? Great granddaughter. Great granddaughter. Yes. Next, friends, here. Friends, in this case, friends, here our given question is what? Our given question is how U is led to Z. See, our given question is what? How U is led to Z. So, friends, how U is led to Z means Z son is what? T. Then T son is what? U. So, son is what? Grandson. Friends, here, son is what? Grandson. Son is what? Grandson. So now here how we visualize to Z means how we visualize to Z means the answer is what? Grandson. The answer is what? Grandson. So friends here how we visualize to Z. How we visualize to Z. So friends here the answer is what? Grandson. The answer is what? Grandson. Yes. Friends, how you visualize that mean? Answer is grandson. Answer is grandson. Yes. Yes, friends, here. So, friends, here given question is what? How if is letter that may then answer is what? Grandson. See here. That son is what? T son is what? U. Then how if is letter that means answer is what? Grandson. Friends, here in the starting I given one clue point and if anything is forward direction means if anything is ending of the option we don't know gender. But here they given reverse. If they given reverse means if anything is starting then we don't know the gender. So what is gender of that means? We can't say. Yes. Yes, friends, here now for our given question, how we visualize that means answer is what? Grandson. Answer is what? Grandson. Friends, still now, is there any doubts? Friends, still now we discuss first one is what? Puzzle form. Next one is what? Coding form. In these two, is there any doubts? Yes or no? Then give your comment. These puzzle form and coding form, these two covers minimum 3 to 5 marks in our clerical claims or PO claims or clerical mesa PO mains. Friends, still now, is there any doubts? Yes or no? Yes, no. So friends, here. Next, first one is what? Puzzle form. Next one is what? Coding form. Next one is what? Coding form. Yes. Friends, still now, yes. There are no doubts, sir. Yes, no doubts. Next, what about remaining percents? If you are able to solve these two models, means compulsory we are able to get 3 marks. Next, friends, next last model is what? Last model is what? Pointing form. Last model is what? Pointing form. But this pointing form covers compulsory one question. Compulsory it will covers one question. If it is a SSC means compulsory they will give one question. In banking means may or may not be and may or may not be. Yes. So friends, see friends in tomorrow class and in tomorrow class, first we are going to discuss this pointing form. We are going to discuss next pointing form. Next we will go for next topic and we will go for next topic. So friends, tomorrow our session is morning 6 to 9. Our session is morning 6 to 9. Whether you people will watch or not? Yes or no? Why means early morning 6 o'clock? That it is possible to wake up? Yes or no? Friends, give your comment whether it is possible or not. If not means from next session onwards, we will request our manager sir shift our shift for morning whether it is possible to wake up or not. What is next topic? Friends, your choice. Which topic you want? Why means based upon your IBPS clerical and your IBPS clerical is very near. That means first time we should cover all various topics. Then I will go for remaining Friends, give your comment whether it is possible to watch or not. Why miss early morning? You should wake up by 6 o'clock. I should be in studio at morning 5:30. Whether it is possible or not. Friends, tomorrow which topic? Sitting arrangement. Yes, Karthikeyan, yes. Compulsory I am going to plan maximum sitting arrangement. Maximum sitting arrangement. But first one is one for your batch. Coding decoding is completed. Next, blood relation. Two models are completed. Next one is what? Pointing form. For pointing form, tomorrow for to take this pointing form, it will take hardly half an hour. After tomorrow, I will continue directions and I will continue directions. First half I will take direction. Tomorrow I will complete maximum directions. From next day after tomorrow onwards, I will take sitting arrangement Sunday. Next, if once I will take sitting arrangement, then next one is what? Sitting arrangement. Next one is puzzle. Tomorrow directions topic, whether it is okay or not. Friends, at present directions compulsory we are getting 5 marks. We are getting 5 marks. This year RRBPO mein they given 5 marks. Next day, yesterday in Sunday in clerical mains also they given total 3 marks. Friends, yes or no? Tomorrow I will complete this pointing form. Next I will take direction. Yes or no? After direction, next topic is compulsory sitting arrangements and puzzles. Okay, sir. Okay, friends. Next, I am hoping tomorrow all persons will present in the session. So tomorrow your session will be start by 6 to 9 days. 6 to 9 AM is reasoning. 6 to 9 is reasoning. Next evening is evening 5:30 to remaining is quantum. That means your maths. So our session is morning 6 to 9. 6 to 9. Friends, please be present for our session. Please be present for our session. Tomorrow I will take next topic is direction. Friends, at present direction topic also very important. At present direction also very important. In direction first I will cover old model, at the same time I will cover new models. Why means from last 2 years onwards in our SBFPO main compulsory they are giving 5 marks model and they are giving 5 marks model. So within that 5 marks model again they are giving new patterns. That means first I will give